Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a Tarte Soleil. Mine is filled with spinach and feta. First we need to drain 1 package of frozen spinach and mince 1 shallot and 2 cloves of garlic. These should be diced as fine as possible because they're not getting cooked before the mixture goes in the oven. Now I'm chopping 1 bunch of dill, and adding it to the bowl, and about 12 olives, whatever color you like the best. So everything in this should be chopped really finely because we want it to be a paste so it'll be easier to spread on our puff pastry. Now I have 1 package of feta, which I'm crumbling into the bowl. The zest of 1 lemon. A few grinds of black pepper, some dried oregano, a pinch of chili flakes. 1 tablespoon of za'atar. This is optional. I like adding za'atar to everything. We're going to bind the mixture with some crème fraiche. That will make it more like a paste. So once everything's combined, we'll start assembling our tart. We start with 1 package of puff pastry, which comes with 2 sheets. So you unroll the puff pastry and get a large dinner plate and a knife, and you're going to trace around the dinner plate so you get a circle out of your pastry. We'll do that with both sheets of pastry. So we're going to add our mixture to the center of the pastry and press it down into a circle, leaving a 1/2 inch border all across the sheet. So we're using olive oil on the edges, and that will help us seal the pastry sheets together. Now you want to get a drinking glass. You'll see for what in a minute. So I'm pressing really well so it doesn't fall apart later. So the drinking glass is in the center. We're going to cut rays around the glass. So first I cut it in quarters, and then I cut each quarter in thirds, and each piece in half. So you're going to end up with 24 pieces. You could do a little bit more or less. It doesn't really matter the number so much. Because the filling was quite thick, I felt like 24 was a good amount though. So I'm twisting each piece 3 times in the same direction. So you just go across the tart and keep twisting until you come to the beginning again. When you've done that, you remove the drinking glass, you drizzle it with olive oil, and sprinkle on some sesame seeds. The tart gets baked in the oven at 375 for about 30 to 35 minutes, and it should come out looking like this. So it's puffed and golden. Now it's time to pour yourself a drink. I had a cocktail from Richmond Station, which is a local Toronto restaurant. So once the tart is cooled off a little bit, maybe for about 10 minutes, you can put it on a plate, and it's a great snack to share with friends if you are able to meet up with anyone or if you live with someone, but you can also eat the whole thing yourself. It's not very hard. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you're enjoying the videos. You can also follow us on Instagram if you want to see some updates. We show when we're editing videos and what's coming up. This is my dog Scout. He made a little cameo.